번.
Hindsight again. 48.
Ganska många.
10 000. Ja, just 10 000.
First, a tale of a soldier finds gold, spends it all, and steals timbers. Then falls in love with a princess and causes great trouble, helped by 3 big dogs. It's
Kolla. Så där.
Gossip, gossip. One loose little feather may easily grow into 5 dead hens. No doubt about it. Yes, the chickens tell the owls, the owls tell the doves, and the doves tell the bats. So, stories. When a top loves a ball, and she thinks he's too fine, and bounces too high, you know she'll come to a sad end. A lovely butterfly helps Thumbelina see away from Mother Toad and her ugly son. Many adventures lie ahead. I direct Thumbelina saved the squirrel's life. In return, he introduced her to the king of flowers. The little mermaid left her beautiful undersea home
10, 20, 31, 40, 50. Jag vet inte.
You see, she loved a young man whose life she saved, and asked the witch for legs so she could be with him. But, as often happens, she could not have everything she wanted. Now we come to the story of the most steadfast tin soldier. This handsome tin soldier loved a ballerina, while the other toys played. He only looked at her. The soldier had a great adventure involving a paper boat, a sewer, a large rat, and a big fish. Through it all, he stood straight and tall, as a soldier should. Some people believe flattery, others praise stuff they cannot see. So it was with the emperor's new clothes. Only a little child dared say, "Look, he has nothing on." Once there was a duckling unlike other ducklings. The ducks and chickens bullied and bit him and called him ugly until he flew away. All through the autumn and winter he was lonely and dust. Then he met some beautiful swans and discovered that he was a swan. Nature always sees things. The little match girl.
Pappa, det här numret har vi varit förut. Två gånger.
The Christmas tree and roast goose. Soon she'll be far away in a place where there's no cold, no hunger. Can an artificial nightingale sing as beautifully as a real one? Only the real one could bring tears to the emperor's armies with his sword. Once, a wicked demon invented a distorting mirror which fell to earth in a million pieces, falling into people's eyes and into their hearts, which turned to ice. This happened to a boy named Kai. He then was taken away by the Snow Queen. Little Gerda, Kai's friend, bravely set out to find him. A friendly crow gave advice, and a swift reindeer carried her northward as she searched for the Snow Queen's castle. Kai and Gerda are safely home, but watch out. The wicked demons are still causing mischief. The shepherdess and chimney sweep decided to run away from her disapproving grandfather. But the world is so big. Still, the story has a happy ending. This is how it feels to fly through the night in a magical flying train. Just as the rich merchant someday when he flew to the castle of the beautiful princess. I would tell the wonderful tale he told the king and queen, but we're out of time and the next story. A prince came to this castle with wonderful gifts, but the princess refused to see the prince. In disguise, he got a job as an imperial spy and made a musical box and such, and so charmed the princess. But discovered by the emperor, they ran out with you. The prince said, thou wouldst kiss the swineherd for a musical part, and not have the prince apprise his gifts. Then he left the princess and went home. How do you know when a young lady is a princess? Why, place a prince under 20 mattresses and 20 feather beds. If the lady says, the bed is It's not always the one who can recite the dictionary or knows embroidery who wins the lady. Sometimes dead crows and bingoes will do the trick. Just ask. Thank you for joining me in your flying tour. I always enjoy sharing my fairy tales. Life itself is the most.
Was this a nice trip?
Yeah.
Yeah, but a nice trip.
Ja, visst.